Hi everyone, welcome back to this devlog. As you can see, now we have a new table. This is the crafter station. And when the player approaches to this crafter station, a new tool, the hammer that I introduced now, is extracted automatically. And as you can see, there is also the instruction to press E to open the crafter menu. As you can see now, we have 5 of iron and 5 wood. I open the crafting menu, and you can see two new cell items that I created, a sword and a shield. These cell items are associated with a script that is a cell item script that exposes some variables that are the item name, quantity that will be used in future, the money value, so the price, the resource cost. So for example, the shield must be created using 1 wood and 1 iron. If the blueprint is acquired by the player or not, the sprite, that is the image that you can see here, and also the item description. So for example, the sword costs 2 iron and the value of the sword is 10. The shield costs 1 iron and 1 wood. If I click OK, I produce 1 shield. As you can see, the resources now are less. Then I press again OK, and if you can see, we have only 3 and 3 and two new shields. Now I can craft a sword, for example. And now we don't have enough resources to craft the sword, so this is red and I cannot produce it. We can produce another shield and then stop because we don't have enough iron. And now, as you can see, we have 2 wood, 3 shields and 1 sword. So these are the main updates I added to the game during this devlog. In the future, I will also introduce more sell items and also the possibility to sell those items for money and use the money to do things. Thank you very much for following me. Bye.